let's check out this Motor City Pizza Company's pizza. Double pepperoni, Detroit style deep dish pizza from Costco. All right, so I baked this at 425 for about 20 minutes. And you get 2 pizzas in here. All you do is just remove the plastic and place it on your cookie sheet, pizza sheet. 20 minutes. This smells so good. The whole house smells like pizza. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is gonna be good. Let's give this a go. This is hands down the best frozen pizza I've ever had. If you haven't had this and you like pizza, I don't know who doesn't like pizza, and you want a frozen pizza, this is the one to go with. Delicious. Nice and juicy, nice crispy crust on the bottom. It's like a pan pizza almost. Really, that's what it is. And you won't be disappointed. That is nice. Good sauce, good cheese. This tastes just like it came out of a pizzeria. All right, you guys, thanks for watching.